In this video, I'm going to talk about the Skool free trial, meaning that Skool they offers 14 days free trial. So as you can see that you can able to use Skool for 14 days free trial without paying anything, guys. Okay, but first of all, if you want to get an access to Skool, I'll click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, guys. Okay, so that you can able to get an access with Skool 14 days free trial without paying anything. Okay, so let me show you some of the things that you can do with a Skool free trial. With a 14 days free trial on Skool, you can do so many things, guys. Okay, you can able to upload your own courses here on Skool. You can able to create your own community here on Skool. Let me show you some of the community, how it will look like. So as you can see that it's going to be showing you how many members that you have on Skool, and also it's going to be showing you how many online members that you have, and also how many admins that you have, guys, here on Skool. Okay, so when I click here to community, it's going to be showing me how many community that I have here on Skool. Okay, so when you click at the community, so on the community, this is whereby that members they're gonna able to talk to each other. Meaning that they're gonna able to talk about anything. Basically, maybe let's say that if they say that any member that you have here on Skool, they're gonna talk about any wins. Okay, they're gonna talk about this, maybe any questions they have. They can talk here, guys, on Skool. Okay, and plus they can also talk about any question that you have. They can also talk about the results that they are getting on your courses, guys. Okay, they're gonna share their results here. They're gonna share their wins here on Skool, guys. Okay, that's what I like about Skool. As you can see that any question that they have, they're gonna talk. And what I like about Skool community is that all of these members, guys, they are engaged, guys. Okay, they are engaged to each other, guys. Okay, and also what you can do here, guys, here on Skool, if there's any members they want to access your courses that you are selling, they're gonna click here to classroom. So on the classroom, this is where that your members they're gonna watch the videos that you offered on your courses. As you can see that these are the courses. They're gonna click here to open. They're gonna click here to open, so they're gonna follow these steps, and when they're done, they're gonna just click here to done. Okay, they're gonna mark it complete or not, guys. Okay, they're gonna do all of those things here on Skool, guys. I'm just showing some overview, and also what after that, if they done, they're gonna have some courses. If they say that they're gonna have some courses, as you can see that these are the courses that they have to watch based on the course that you're offering. And also you can have some courses that if they say that you have a course that they didn't buy, they can also buy here, guys. They can also unlock these courses here, guys. Okay, that's like about Skool. And also what you can do, you can also go to calendar. So under calendar, this is whereby, guys, under calendar you can able to host an event. You can host some webinars. You can do some one-on-one calls here on Skool. This is like about Skool. You can do all of those things here, guys. Okay, as you can see that you can also check here the members that you have on your community. I'm not gonna show, was gonna show all of these members. You can also check the leaderboard. Like what I like about leaderboard is that on Skool is gonna be showing you the most active the most participant member on your community. Maybe they're gonna go to level 2 up to level 9, guys. Okay, so maybe after they go up all of these level, you can do some incentive, you can do some bonuses, you can do some giveaways. So that's like about Skool, guys. Okay, and also you can just click here to about. And also what you can do here on Skool, you can also check here to notifications. Gonna be showing all of the notification that you have. You can also check here to message. So the message and the chat is gonna able to check all of the members that they message you on Skool. You can check all of those things here on Skool. It is very good to use, guys. Okay, and also what you can do here on Skool, you can able to on Skool you can able to I forgot what I was able to say, guys. So with a free trial, guys, you can do all of those things, guys. Okay, you can also check the leaderboard. Okay, like the most active member on the community. As you can see all of these active member. You can also check the countries where they are, guys. Okay, you can check all of those things with Skool, guys. Okay, so this is how, guys, the Skool free trial works. You can also check, guys. Okay, some of the you can also click here to create a community. If you want to create a community, it's easy to use, guys, to create your own community here on Skool. Okay, and also, guys, okay, don't forget, guys, to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get an access to Skool 14 days free trial, guys. Okay, if you have any questions about Skool, please leave a comment down below in the comment section. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care and may God bless you sharp.